Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now, I'm so glad to greet you. Students, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17, 19, and 45. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet? Okay, don't worry, because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So now, please listen to me. Students, we know that the Proclamation of Independence Indonesia gave a very important meaning to the Indonesia people. And there are 8 national figures who made it realize. Those are Mr. Sukarno, Muhatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadasi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and PM Dia. Then, the first figure is Insinyur Sukarno. Insinyur Sukarno is person who has contributed into the Indonesia national. He was the one who compiled and signed the text of the proclamation. Insinyur Sukarno also read the text of the proclamation. Number 2, Muhammad Hatta. Muhammad Hatta was the one who compiled and signed the text of the Proclamation of Indonesia. He is also the first vice president in Indonesia. Number 3, Ahmad Subarjo. Ahmad Subarjo is someone who also composed in the text of the Proclamation of Indonesia. In addition, he also became Indonesia's first foreign minister. He is a member of the old group who played a role in the preparing for Indonesia independence. Number 4, Admiral Tadasi Maida. Admiral Tadasi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia in preparing for Indonesia independence by using his house to compose the text of the proclamation. Number 5, Sukarni. Sukarni, or his full name is Sukarni Karto Dwi Wirjo, is a youth figure who is persistent against the invaders. He also proposed Insinyur Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta signed the text of the proclamation. Number 6 is Fatmawati. Fatmawati is Insinyur Sukarno's wife. She was the one who saved the Saka Merah Putih flag that was hoisted during the Proclamation of Indonesia independence. Number 7, Sayuti Melik. Sayuti Melik is the person who typed the text of the Proclamation of Independence. He was also a very important youth figure, namely to perfect the handwritten text by Sukarno, which was then typed by Sayuti Melik. Number 8, PM Dia. PM Dia is the person who took the original text of the proclamation, which was originally turned into the draft according to him. The manuscript has a high historical value. Then, after serving for 46 years, PM Dia returned to President Suharto. Then, the manuscript was kept by the National Archive of Suharto recommendation, so that all Indonesia people can enjoy the original text of the proclamation. Okay, students, That's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep this independent by reaching the vote feeling to our country. And I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep Mufti fit. See you next week. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.